First question, in which form the food material in fungi is stored? The right answer is option B, glycogen. Which fungi grow on the bark of tree? The right answer is option B, corticols. Fungi which grow on cow dung are called. The right answer is option C, coprophilous. Which of the following do not have chlorophyll? The right answer is option D, fungi. Chlorophyll is a green pigment essential for photosynthesis. Fungi are heterotrophic organisms, meaning they cannot produce their own food through photosynthesis. They obtain nutrients by absorbing organic matter from their environment. Therefore, they lack chlorophyll. Yeast differ from bacteria in being. The right answer is option C, eukaryotic. Yeast are eukaryotic organisms, meaning their cells have a nucleus and membrane-bound organelles, while bacteria are prokaryotic, meaning their cells lack a nucleus and have free-floating genetic material. Next question, which lichens grow on the bark of tree? The right answer is option B, corticols. Which fungi is used in baking industry? The right answer is option A, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. It is also known as baker's yeast and is used as a leavening agent to make bread and other baked goods rise. Which of the following is algae? The right answer is option A, cyanobacteria. Who discovered antibiotic penicillin? The right answer is option C, Alexander Fleming. Ergotism is caused due to. The right answer is option B, claviceps. Industrial penicillin is obtained from. The right answer is option B, Penicillium crassogenium. In bakery, when yeast is added in kneaded flour, it becomes soft and spongy due to. The right answer is option B, production of CO2 makes the bread spongy. Yeast creates a soft and spongy texture in bread by producing carbon dioxide gas during fermentation, which gets trapped in the elastic gluten network of the dough, causing it to rise and creating tiny air pockets. These air pockets, once set during baking, result in the light, soft, and spongy texture of the bread. Vegetative reproduction in yeast is by. The right answer is option A, budding. Which of the following is edible fungi? The right answer is option C, agaricus. LSD is obtained from. The right answer is option B, fungi. Lysergic acid diethylamide is a semi-synthetic hallucinogenic drug derived from ergot, a fungus that grows on certain grains like rye. Which antibiotic was discovered first? The right answer is option C, penicillin. Penicillin was the first antibiotic discovered by accident in 1928 by Alexander Fleming, making a pivotal moment in the history of medicine that allowed for the treatment of bacterial infections that were previously deadly. Its development into a usable medicine, initially for soldiers in World War II, opened the antibiotic era and paved the way for future antibiotic discoveries. Mutation in a virus is caused due to a change in its. The right answer is option B, genetic material. Streptomycin is first obtained by. The right answer is option D, Waxman. Which of these algae is rich in protein? The right answer is option B, chlorella. Red rot of sugarcane is caused by. The right answer is option A, Colletotrichum fulcatum. This fungus infects the sugarcane plant's stalk, causing symptoms such as reddish-brown streaks, white patches, and a distinct red discoloration inside the stalk. Streptomycin is obtained from, the right answer is option B, bacteria. Yeast is used in bakery in the preparation of bread because, the right answer is option B, it makes bread soft and spongy. The disease athlete's foot is caused by, the right answer is option B, fungi. This disease is a common fungal infection of the foot caused by dermatophytes, a type of fungus that thrives in warm, moist conditions found in places like locker rooms, public showers, and saunas. The infection spreads through contact with contaminated surfaces or an infected person, often manifesting between the toes with symptoms like itching, cracking, and scaling of the skin. Which of the following fungi make symbiotic relationship with the root of higher plant? The right answer is option B, mycorrhizae. Mycorrhizae is a symbiotic relationship where a fungus colonizes the roots of a plant, providing it with access to nutrients and water from the soil, while the plant provides the fungus with carbohydrates. Aflatoxins are produced by, the right answer is option A, fungi. Which fungi is used in the preparation of bread? The right answer is option C, Saccharomyces. Lichens are constituted by, the right answer is option D, fungi and algae. Lichens are indicator of, the right answer is option A, air pollution. Litmus paper used in laboratory is obtained from, the right answer is option C, lichen. Specifically, it is a dye derived from various lichen species. The lichens are processed to create litmus powder, which is then used to impregnate paper, making the paper pH sensitive and capable of indicating acidity or alkalinity through color changes. In lichen, symbiotic relationship between fungi and algae is called, the right answer is option A, mutualism.